Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. In this video I'm going to show you how to mine and sell your Bitcoin in the same platform. The good thing about the Byte blockchain is that you can actually exchange Byte token into USDT. You can do that at the same platform. You don't need to go to any other exchange app for you to be able to swap it. You can do it on this Byte blockchain. So if you are watching this video, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if this is your first time watching it and you have not started mining Byte blockchain, my advice for you is for you to start mining it, because Byte blockchain is going to be huge and we are among the first set of people to start this Byte blockchain. So I'm going to keep my link on the description and the comment section. You just have to go over to it for you to start mining immediately. And you can also watch my previous video which I did on how to open and how to create an account on Byte blockchain. You can also watch the video. Okay guys, so this is the home page of the Byte blockchain. Yes, and here is mining. By the right here is mining. For you to start mining, you have to go over to it to type mining, and here is for you to claim what you mine, and over to swap, for you to swap your your Byte token to USDT. You have to go over to this place here which is showing this arrow, here. Let me go over to it. It's showing available. I have 144.30 bytes, which is equals to 0.78. and for example, you have, let me say, you have up to 100. For example, you have 100 bytes and you want to exchange it. And this is it. And so let me just go over to swap, and it say rank 3 required, which means you have to be on rank 3. They have different rank 1, rank 2 and rank 3. So you have to be on rank 3 before you be able to swap your Byte to your USDT. So you have to be in rank 3 before you able to swap your Byte blockchain to USDT, before you be able to exchange it. And they say you have to be in rank 3. So I'm currently in rank 2, which is 11 bytes max, 20 referrals. That is, you have to have more than 100 referrals in rank 3 for you to be able to swap your Byte token to USDT. And then you can see it over at the last side over here. And let me go over to my referral, which is at here, and over here you can see I have only 9 referral, 9/20 referrals. So I'm in rank 2. I have only 9 referral. That means I'm in rank 2. They say with every new referral you mine plus 0.5 bytes more per hour, upgrade your rank to invite more people. So in case you want to invite people, your friends or your family members, you just have to go over here and copy it, and you've copied your referral code. And don't forget, I'm going to put in my referral code on the comment and the description section in case you have not started mining Byte blockchain. So over to the home page here. Okay, it's time for me to claim. So if you want to claim it, you just have to go over here. It's showing you red. Let me go over to claim it, and they say you claim 7.24 bytes, and which is 151.54 bytes. Let me go over to close, and let me go over to mine. It have started mining, and over to here is your mining, referral, swap, rank, support and white paper. And for you to be able to swap your Byte exchange to USDT, you have to reach rank 3, and you have to try your best for it. You have to try your best for it to reach the rank 3. You have to have more than 100 referrals. And guys, this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time.